Hi, I'm Jason with SJC Management Group, and today I was going to talk about home warranties and why it's difficult to use them for rental properties, and kind of our experience as a company when an owner has had a warranty. Now, we're not talking about new homes that may be under a builder warranty. What we're talking about are the type of warranties that you may get with the purchase of a home, where a large company services that warranty. And there's a couple of things that we found that I'll go through with you on why those are very difficult. And the number one is there's a very slow response time for getting the service issue addressed. And this is extremely frustrating to tenants. The number one kind of bugaboo tenants have, and the number one reason that you could maybe have a tenant not renew their lease would be because of long or inadequate maintenance. So long times to get the maintenance done, or just not addressing the maintenance issue at all. That's always the number one reason that tenants say that they have decided not to renew when surveyed. So the slow times are very frustrating, and maybe multiple trips are kind of done during that, where the vendor goes out and has to assess it first, and then they'll need a co-payment right there on the spot, which is logistically challenging for a third-party management company to be able to do that. If you're a homeowner and you're in the home yourself and they come out and they ask you for the payment, you typically make that payment right there. But it's not the tenant's responsibility or cost to do that. That's the homeowner who's not living in the house. So that becomes logistically challenging. And there's no quality control or determination of who the vendors are. So, we really work hard to make sure that we have a good pool of vendors that are performing the work well, treating the tenants well, showing up on time. They've been vetted and background checked. We make sure that they're licensed, bonded, insured. We're kind of at the mercy of whoever the warranty company chooses to use. And there's often high turnover and dissatisfaction from the vendors working with the warranty companies for numerous reasons. So this can add to the frustrations of getting issues actually addressed. And a lot of the times the issue is not even covered within the warranty. So you've spent the money having the warranty, you go through the process and delay of fixing the repair for them to come out and say that this is not a warranted issue. They also don't do anything for preventative maintenance. Doesn't get covered, and that's your number one thing that you should be doing. It's better to spend a little bit on prevention than on the actual cure, right? So we want to make sure that, gutters are being cleaned, furnace filters are being changed, little things like that can help make sure that bigger problems don't arise. Warranties don't cover those. So we've kind of gone over, the reasons why I think it's difficult for us as a company to work with the home warranties, and the drawbacks to the clients, being the homeowner, for doing that, which is added time to get issues fixed. A lot of times the added cost because you're paying for the warranty, and then maybe the repair itself isn't covered. You're still having to do the preventative maintenance on the property, and then you're risking losing the tenant from having an issue take much longer than it should have to get resolved. So this is why warranty companies are hard for third-party property management and rentals in general. Even if you're managing the property yourself, you're going to find these same frustrations. Thanks.